Hello class, welcome to Moy School. Today we'll be covering the topic of addition and subtraction for the year 3. Now in this topic you'll learn how to solve addition and subtraction problems in a more easier way. Alright, so first we will do addition and subtraction with the multiples of tens, or let's just say in tens. Okay, these are very simple addition and subtraction problems. Okay, so for problems like this, let's just say we write it down in a column way. So 152 plus 10. Alright, you can see here, right, this is a 0, so 2 plus 0 will be just 2, and then 5 plus 1 will be 6. 1, 6, 2. So if you look closely, without even doing this, you can immediately add this with your mentally, right? You can do this mentally. So for example, 152 plus 10, 0 you can ignore, but in the tens position you can see there's a 1 and there's a 5, and you add them together, you get 162. Now similarly, if you have 152 minus 152 minus 10, right, if you were to do like this, you would do the same thing. 2 minus 0, you'll get 2. 5 minus 1, you will get 4, and then 1. Alright, you could also do this mentally simply because there is zeros at the back. So as I showed before, there's 0, so you can ignore this, but the position of 1 in the tens could be minus with 5. So 5 minus 1, so you will get 142. Okay, now if you look at some of these examples here at the bottom, they are very similar. Okay, so instead of having tens, now we have 20s, or we have hundreds and 300s. They are all multiples of 10. Okay, so if you look here, we have 175 plus 20, so 0 plus 5 is 5, and then we have 7 plus 2, 9. Right, so you can immediately calculate this in your head. Now same goes for the bottom one, minus 20. So we have 6 minus 2, we get the 4, and the 4 here remains. So you get 44. Alright, now for hundreds and 300s, they work the same as tens. It's exactly the same. Instead, now there are 2 zeros. So you only have to consider the position at the hundreds. So 2 plus 1, you will get 3. And then you continue with the remaining numbers. Alright, same goes for the bottom. We look at the 3, which is in the hundreds. We look at the hundreds. 5 plus 3, 8, which will give you 820 as your answer. Sorry, this is a minus, my mistake. Right, so 5 minus 3, you will get 220. Alright, now some problems you'll get it in a complex, or should I say more addition in one. Instead of just one addition, you'll have a lot of addition in one. Alright, for things like this, you could try to solve in tens. Now what I mean by that is you try to find the numbers that will give you tens, solve that, and then it'll make it easier. Now in this example, we have 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4. So we try to add the numbers that will give us tens. Versus 6 plus 4 will give us 10, and then the rest. Okay, so if you look here, 6 plus 4, you get 10, plus 3 plus 1, right? So 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 1, you get 14. Okay, so it's easier to see, or easier to add numbers that gives you 10. It's more comfortable that way. So here, without writing it, I have 2, 3, 8, and 7. Alright, we have 2, you have to add 8 to get 10, so we have 2 and 8, so we can have 2 and 8, 2 plus 8. And then we also have 3, which plus 7 will get 10 as well. So 3 plus 7. Okay, so now we can easily see 2 plus 8 is 10, 3 plus 7 is 10. So the answer here is 20.